just 2 years going by. A huge piece of lint is blocking the exit. See that? That's why you want to have your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year. Zero air coming out. Watch what happens when I move this huge piece of lint. Woo! Now it's starting to blow some air. It was completely clogged with lint that turns into like cement. Look at this huge piece of lint, like cement. The clothes are never going to dry like this. Make sure someone comes and cleans your dryer vent at least once a year. So this customer's saying their dryer is not drying very well. Look at this, where it attaches to the wall. Look at all this lint. Crazy. And there's even more where that's out through here was completely blocked with lint. Look at that wet lint. The air is never going to go through there. And then look at this actual vent itself. Completely 100% clogged with lint. Please make sure you have your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year. Look at all that. I'm okay. I had too many energy drinks. Works me like crazy. Yes. Completely blocking the opening. Watch what happens when I remove this. Boom. All this. It's rock solid from the temperature and the humidity. We're still not getting a lot of airflow. Let's see what's happening. This door is getting sealed shut with this lint. Now the door is open and now it's blowing. Make sure to have your dryer vent on the roof cleaned at least once a year. They tried everything. They had another company, but the other company said that they don't go on the roof. Look at this. The whole thing is completely blocked with a piece of lint. No air is coming out at all. Watch this. Boom. Now it's starting to flow. Look how old this is. It's moldy. It looks like it was painted over. This was completely clogged. It's rock solid. See all that lint that came out? Wow. So if you have a dryer vent, this one goes right to the side of the house. Customers saying that they never got it done because it's such a short run. But look at this. It's starting to block most of the exit. Once this starts, they'll keep going. You can see how much stronger it's blowing when I remove this. There we go. Make sure to have your dryer vent cleaned once a year. So this is a customer that I come and do dryer vent cleaning every single year, and you can see after only just 1 year it's starting to build up a little bit by the edge. Once this starts, it'll keep on accumulating until the whole thing's blocked, so make sure to get your dryer vent cleaned once a year.